Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So today I'm at Five Below and I'm looking at the summer stuff, but I'm mainly looking for Labubus. They have Labubu knockoffs here, apparently. So I'm just looking around, seeing if I can find them. And I don't think I would ever order a real Labubu. I actually think it's too big for your purse. Like most of the little purses that people put them on, they're too big for the little purses. But I carry big purses, so it probably would be cute on my purse. But I would be happy with a knockoff one because I'm not like somebody that has to have the authentic one, and pay like $50 for it. So yeah, but basically Five Below has changed everything to summer vibes. They have all the flip-flops and they have a lot of like water toys and stuff. They have a little Stitch section and they have this cute strawberry shortcake and Care Bear section. I think the necklace is so cute. You could keep one and give one to your bestie. But my Five Below recently, they changed the layout. They actually moved to another store, so the layout's different, but I like it a lot better than the previous layout. And it seems bigger. Mainly what I think of when I think of Five Below are like a good keychain, like a really cute keychain, a nice cheap t-shirt. They have cute sleep shorts, maybe some cheap room decor for a teenager or a tweenager. That's kind of what I think of. I think of it as a place where I would just get like a phone case or sleep shorts, maybe some flip-flops, but it's a good place to get a gift for somebody that that's maybe younger. But I was looking at these pillows. I was looking for the strawberry shortcake neck pillow because I saw one at the front of the store, and so here it is. But it's not the same quality as the neck pillows they used to have. They used to have the memory foam neck pillows, and now they're just kind of like stuffed pillows. They're not even memory foam, so they're not as comfortable.